This video will help you pair the wireless controller RFWB with the switch unit RFSAI-61B-SL. Remove the battery from the device and press any buttons to fully discharge the device. Insert the battery. The red indicator light will turn on. At that moment, press button 1 and hold it until the indicator light starts blinking. Then press the prog button. The indicator light will start blinking. Select a button on the controller and assign it the function. Finish the programming with a short press of the prog button. Remove the battery from the device and press the buttons to fully discharge the device. Reinsert the battery. The red indicator light will turn on and then start blinking. After the indicator light stops blinking, you can control the paired devices.